silent. Ama ya ye nuabema a oka ye nafta ho. Owura Thomas Mri a nyame ato ensa afre no. Emra ye nya se we firi mu no enene fezi a ye hie mu se. Eti me pamocho moma ye nyina ye sori nyina ho. Na ye observe a minute of silence. Erade emfa ye nuabe ma Thomas Mre ene omo a omo afiri mu nyina ekra esie ewo ye nyankopon ne kukumu Abraham ne kukumu wo Yesu di mu amen. Pachom betu ya tenase. Ebusia ansa na mekasa no mepa mo chew na ma poto ewo brofo mu kakra na miwie a mesa translate ewo twi mu ama ye nyina ya te ase manye ne saa ya brofo a omotete yechi omunhu ne ayeka na omate ase ende dwumedi a ye di susu krofo bebre titi social media so etie ebia na obi nso ne twi ene ne fanti enye papa te se medie ya na ya nka brofo a onte ase eti mesre na chairman ene ne mpanyifo se omompa de me na me nka brofo me wi a na chire mu wo twi mu kakra nana chairman the traditional chairman, the traditional chief Nana Kondia of Elmina, my deputy regional minister, my deputy minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture Development, honorable regional minister, Mrs. Marigold Hassan, the municipal chief executive for KEA, the chief director for MOFAD, executive director for Fisheries Commission, FAO country representative, the chief of party, Ghana Fisheries Recovery Activity, directors from MOFAD and FC, executives and members of fisher associations, representatives of CSOs and academias, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered here today to officially mark the start of the 2023 closed fishing season in the history city of Elmina for artisanal, inshore and trawl subsectors. I am happy to be with you today, especially the good people of Elmina, our gallant fishermen and fish processors who work tirelessly to ensure that we have fish in our diet to meet our protein requirements. Nana Chairman, it is worth noting that Elmina is not only known for its rich culture and historical structures such as the Elmina Castle, but most significantly as an important fishing community. The hosting of the official closure ceremony in Elmina is therefore part of activities to highlight the importance of Elmina in the fisheries sector. Following the commissioning of the Elmina Fishing Port and Rehabilitation and Expansion Project by His Excellency, the President of the Republic on 26th of May 2023. Nana Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is important to note that for the first time since Ghana started implementing the closed season in 2016, our neighbors, Côte d'Ivoire, has joined Ghana to observe the 2023 closed fishing season. It is my expectation that Togo and Benin will participate in the 2024 closed fishing season. I am particularly filled with joy and satisfaction about this turn of events because it's an indication that my working visit to those countries have started yielding results. I am happy to inform you, under the auspices of the Fisheries Committee for the West Sorry, not knowing I wasn't using my reading glasses. I'm very sorry. I am happy to inform you, under the auspices of the Fisheries Committee for the West Central Gulf of Guinea, FCWC, that a joint fishing patrol operations will be undertaken by the Navy of the two countries to ensure, among others, compliance to the closed fishing season in both countries. Nana Chairman, the implementation of the closed fishing season will not have been possible without the cooperation with the fishermen and fish processors. With your permission, I want to use this occasion to salute the leadership of all the fisheries associations of Ghana, our gallant fishermen and industrial fish processors for their roles played in ensuring the success of the closed fishing season in the past. Once again, I say thank you. Let me acknowledge the contribution of scientific working bodies, both national and international, the academia, development partners, and CSOs in making the closed season a success. I also recognize the contribution of the Ghana Navy, Fisheries Enforcement Unit, security agencies, and the Attorney General's Department in law enforcement and prosecution of offenders during and after the closed fishing season. Nana Chairman, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we all attest to the fact that the marine subsector has experienced decline in fish stock level and size activities of over-exploitation and illegal, unregulated, and unreported fishing, among others. The livelihoods of the over 3,000 people, 3 million people, and 187 coastal fishing communities that depend on the fisheries resources are being threatened by depletion or decline of fish stocks. The scientific community, including the works of the late Professor Jansen and FAO Scientific Working Group, has recommended the implementation of fisheries management measures, including closed fishing season, to ensure recovery and rebuilding of depleted fish stocks to avoid collapse of the fishing industry. Accordingly, the Ministry and the Fisheries Commission since 2016 have been implementing the closed fishing season as a fish stock recovery and replenishing the strategy in accordance with Section 84 of the Fisheries Act 2002, Act 625. The continuous closure of the sea for the past 7 years for the industrial fleet and 4 years for the artisanal and inshore fleets has shown significant positive impact towards fish stock recovery. Nana Chairman, for instance, the results of biological survey conducted in 2022 indicates that canoe landings were higher after the closure period than before the closure. The results also revealed that bigger fishes were caught in 2022 than in 2021. All these are signs of replenishing of fish stocks and increase in growth of the fish population over time. It is also an indication that the closed fishing season needs to be implemented for many years for us to attain the long-term objective of rebuilding the depleted fish stocks and replenishing dwindling stocks. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry and the Fisheries Commission have taken series of broad stakeholder consultative meetings to engage and sensitize fishermen, fish processors, and the general public on the implementation of the 2023 closed season. This includes the meeting held with the leadership of all the Fisheries Association, academia, and CSOs on the 30th of April 2023 at the Koomson Hall to discuss the outcome of the 2022 closed season and plans for the 2023 closure. The press was also briefed on the outcome of the 2022 closed fishing season and plans to implement the 2023 edition. During the press briefing on the 14th of June 2023 at the Ministry of Information, again, my good self, my deputy, and officials of the Ministry and Fisheries Commission have over the past 2 weeks participated in a series of radio and TV programs to educate the general public on the outcome of the 2022 closed fishing season and plans for the 2023 closed fishing season. These consultative meetings form part of efforts to enhance the stakeholder engagement process and to achieve voluntary compliance by fishers. It is worth noting that the timelines for the implementation of this year's closed fishing season were arrived at after extensive consultations with stakeholders and inputs from science and academia as follows. Canoe and inshore fishers will observe the closed season from the 1st of July to 31st of July 2023. Industrial trawlers will also observe the closed season from the 1st of July to 31st of August 2023. Nana Chairman, government is fully aware of the short-term economic impact of the closed fishing season on fishers and processors. The ministry will therefore continue to provide relief items in the form of rice and cooking oil to support fishers and fish processors during the closure period. As a way of reducing pressure on the fisheries on the fisheries resources, the ministry and its partners, including the Ghana Fisheries Recovery Activity, has launched the Alternative Livelihood Training Support for the fishers, starting with 1,350 fishers in masonry, carpentry, dressmaking, hairdressing, electronics, and auto engineering, among others, in selected communities along the coast. This training will be scaled up to cover 8,350 fishers. And after the training, trainees will be supported to set up to ensure that they can earn incomes from their trade. I take this opportunity to encourage fishers, especially the youths, to embrace this opportunity and enroll in the program. We thank the regional ministers, metropolitan, municipal, and district chief executives, as well as development partners like the Ghana Fisheries Recovery Activity for their continuous support. I wish to inform you that the various mandated enforcement authorities will commence full surveillance and enforcement activities to ensure compliance to the closed fishing season, and offenders will be prosecuted accordingly. I therefore humble appeal to fishers to desist from fishing and comply with the closure. On this note, I declare the season closed for artisanal canoes and inshore vessels from the 1st to 31st of July 2023, and for the trawl vessels on the 1st of July to 31st of August 2023. Thank you for your attention, and God bless us all. Nani na ya dikwa epuno so eti ama epu enamno akese ne ketua ni nyina esa na se yetrasi ema ye papa bi a wanya ni baby po ye friend Professor Yansi ochina na sa mamoni ye koye meetings ye ko conferences a wutumi mu say US for omo ye close season, Morocco for omo ye close season, omo ye se ne ebe ya omo epu mu nam no ebe doso omo yenti ena omo nya bia ye de na enkwa amanoni enkoto nsumnam emba mberi wo Ghana eti po amode aboya ye adwuma ni na ye da wase na ahokyere baba kakra na se wo hwe mo kra close season for the artisanal no mponi eye na wochi mienu asa so omo se wo yedu esim eti mo betena se na wo se sika se wo to aduane de ama amanfo enya aban fe na emo ye pesa ye pumu nam na me bebre basa na yeso so ye epumu nam adwuma no sabi ye benya nam bebre na ya kwa eti yesra mo moaye na ye ni na omo maso na ye di nyoma bebre atoto akwemu a ebua industry no eye se adwuma na ye na eye yi a eye ma ya nkasa the Fisheries Commission and a premise secretariat, premise chairman, board chairman, Ankasa, Owaha. It's not my name, Namashamo Bosse. 2 weeks to opening of the close season, and then 2 weeks a free there, 3 weeks in mono. You best started the premise full on Abba. Sunday, Munina Mubenya, Ediako Eposo. Automation, so you can want some. Elmina Diana, are you ready? Across the country, they 50 are you ready? The Baba Commission now you starting. Embossment of the canoe, yes, Ramo. So you started a commission, a premise, your friend is automation now. Yabema Busome Kakra, no more Macano search maybe or more dear. So 1 year embossment, Nasa home, you are starting premise, a automation now. let's say koye embossment because the one embossing will can you now when your premise and fan ko epuso yadamuni na ase nyame hira ye na homa epumu namno endori na ye bie epuna yakona yenye bia yetumi aton anya sika hwe yadofo ene yabusua nyina nyame hira mo
Nana Chiame and by him for a falanqua, a falsawanqua, a falanqua. Mana nama bosime we bedu enwa. Mana no mo boa. Bosome we bedu enwa bia. Ara mejanom we bedu enwa bia. Medawana say that the minister I want to obey you na wakase no minister wakasa papa na da MC kan no ebia bakase bia me fama amba kakra maso ma adwene kira mo wa me ba kire don't you can abla otu na ni deputy dombla o ma kan kiram da wo bedi dwuma no wa ha no ana Mada mo bompaya mo hwakan na mekana mo hwa no mo hwa me de hwa me gya no man falefo na me na no modo se watu apuima da okan no ahokyere bakakra onya da no botum wa hwa wan but kakra de obaye na da metima so to fom metetende ebi wa otu susu da o misi susu na watu puima me yi kakra me de twitwa mo ho Aboyana, I want to what two susuma one with Weska with the one. And I'm a one. And the Safuna so what's the young tune that pen. So it what to me that penny what to a trouble and does is kind of dema. Why? And see, Mavis, Papa, our minister, no. The mot pass land answer a quanibiana what biado what share minim that ministry no on a yajanum a great can one year juma now the walokawa ebia will coach a free cow now a kafa one said I will set kafa to over there more watch America GB and to mot pass minister Mesran one more than a way local bank ibia Oba tunkwa for anukwa manko fusi adwuma ye maybe no wa wies to 1 year adwuma wa Quran said aba wonchan debiala say about to 10 cities about to 20 what sika no yada obedan obayoda because aban teyechila oligigis kan odesie odam wan masiraw minister bomaden dada meidi abeda mam ne wiasa aka bibi da emo abaya mo kakra mototasle na wala nim enim waja no mi enim waja no fried rice ana gale o Tasi there. I am a from a shisha. I'm a from a shisha. I am a sidino. Say when they are warrior, when a chilla bring. Also, Kauponas and Black Pasa one more. I could be a woman yadda. The showman kaka about that. And then they could feel a warrior coco. Now, Minister Maslow, but Madame Minister of Agric. Walankasa wunya bra champion na nan wayan kitahu won ba madene won hwe ekotechiman nkropi wa gali webu ho no gogo Ono mom edeba na ebo supporter. What to task slow. Emi ane gale ba ya lo nke be ye bien. Na memi ebi emo kwop we ba asa. Ndala oni wa asa. Gale su se bi unya kakra na si kira kan wa. Kwami kan o ka fa de ma mo kakra me yadan ma fa mo. Masra emi ma de sra papa na oda ma gale ni tumi yan. Na gale so wo hyenim. Damasa minister mane members afubi wa aba menchan wa yambirwa ekwa wana ekwahwa wana ebi wa baya 60 something 70 80 wana ikuma wa ya na aza wa ya no wa fa no maman smelling fish mesrawan baby we ya fi no matotasre mini brother ma asemi di samo kwado pia na wa ya asam won bo made no won hwe this agadam say what dey hihia wada to ho manda wokọ baby a on say nsu on say asase no na won hwe ye nuanom yi so oya sai kofi the what to go april me what the wa yo if you abaka cham na wan ya bia oboa I'm telling you they do it it's what to tasle won hwe kwani bia wo ba fado na wan ba ya hihia na wa kompo wakaje da wa se no walkoto egupunu mun wakaje na wa famre ya na numi ru ba isa we na wa fanya smelling fish ama duma wa dan wa ko to kasa minister shawubu kunim na wa ye oda mehen da ya hina kasa no wale tupum wale ya bibiala sayame wa mbema on ye minim sida adwumadi odi da way kasa inshallah wajijim oya 12 apostles I was in a central region when ku kase no na na yedan owo what to tasle asa na yibu boy epun nka what to tasle minister do obobo hen na saka no wade bafa ye janom ye na nom na ada na woman mbugu ha oye on the 28th July yin kan me raze ya wusu asasi na ya tungu fuim ya tu ya fungu ya tu ya dan ya fungu na anama ya dan ombla na sanam no minister shedeti no na say on the 28th July Bomaden Malam the cat baba sponsor him. Young child suffer na di hina meje no mi hina ya na no mi ha walba wonbo wo fufu wombla wo baba got suffer kondi aso mo heavy. Hey Kenya. Why then wa kodo na amanfifi amen wo kam wo sola wada ba se adam boa na samaka mleka ni hina makadama mas radi na ordinary atu ya de don hwiri abraya bokwa ndem so meja monhwe ya gba no ho na apue re botumi wonsu na ale program no sankana na mahendo a mahena oha na manam no nsiram da wo raba wo puim na meja ni mi wokọ na so wade ba ogwadema and enemy so when him akatano na hankichi na wakada hallelujah 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 eja aya amahem me kan wa ya meja oba ono sunsun konkon ni dem ntemen
Casino Boisoni, the Bacania Candana, and the Adadina, and the Adaman, the day I da. Oh, yeah, yeah, mammy, yeah, daddy, yala, and be now so. I say, oh, Babo took me, yeah, no more. Yeah, mammy, and you're not going to put no chase. What you want to pop on the call? I'm on the man of the when you feel bad. I'm a man with Sanko. Now, no one can mention me. I have some people upon a man. On cello, on cello party. And I don't want some more kind of. You first to me, and then you want to cast a day. Some men also, I want to be ma. I want to wear a suit. Why, gentlemen, I don't know what you want to I'm a gentleman of Pia. Uncle Papa, some address. Uncle Papa, some or her. What Papa, some then Bassa. I want to what was so good. I am. When an enemy was some man there. Some men, if you don't come on, if you don't want that, I'm a cooking one shop. I'm about to when I watch a man. My estimate is a shepherd of cook. Say, mammy, on put me along. So what to prima? So what to prima? On a tower, and she I am for Papa. I'm very slow, Pia. And I'm for Nakuma, and also your son, Yara. I did the Secretary said to Pepinano, get your friend, the next soup. And anonymous is there. I want to put for what you're watching. I want to put for what you're watching. Some men also make me also Apoyo, Iboyo, and Conflow, Ebeno. And then the Lombra Daddy, Senanga Badada, I'm not just from this one, no Abba, Papa, and Sonny.
Chairman, me by Domani. No, take your turn. Modumoson. The final net charge of the choice, I but a lumonia year. Okay, what is a celebration? Ghana National Council, I'm a regional secretary. No, no, okay, you, Chairman, mini ano di imba mo do monele ho.
Maybe one more mina, which you go chole dina, was a good mene to go for one day. What you were shown now, there's a can you name. watching show they felt it she was not going to know go to no basic now when I bought him I will do it and I can look at him now I treat him again I to be communication let you show nanny will do large and miss for I mean I'm a poor as ever the money to other way but one show now
okay ani mokon fanya kunyaba because we Ga traditional council we national house of chiefs the one she don't affair it's a national ceremony it was also mokon fanya kunyaba allo nya na nyaba
oh afọ no ba the minister ma wo ke new council there ni afamu fia mo ke ko bad ko pa ijo eni ayawo eni ngo ke nya minu o ta bele o je ta ko pa ni greater crowd do ba ko adu greater crowd fe na oni ni o ba na wa bo ni fa na yi ko ba ba wo se fe no wa bo nye me ni nye ana igbe na ba bi
okay be ntwanga shi nye represent Gami allo je na kan okay be ke na kan ne ke insure chine nche ke okwe ani ewa wolame titu Game ani ewa wolelo in terms of insure chinye
ewa wole ke Game wa kera ke wana ke wolo ni wo Game le ke nyo ne mi wa fieli kana ji le ke nyo ko wasa ni wa fieli wa yo lo titri di mo ko siko ba ko le ke nyo ne mi no ati kishona wa bi wa ke ne do analo no ke mo alu wa fi no yo ene se bera ba to le ke Guinea no fo ke sensus atose mabi kana fe na yawo fe atose mo fi awo mo che ma e ba mi na ka mo na ke mo no ba na ke no mo tashi wo yo ne nu wa me ishani ame ya ma fi mo nu wa me ame ya ma fi wana ke afiro to ncho ye yo no dinu na ke la mo na mi la kai wo ame ye lo ke chu ye ke to na fa ye ama fi mene wana ke wo Game de wa wu ye ku si wana ke no ni papa de ba fe nwe ba sa Ghana fe wo ma che me he wo mo wo na che me nwe wa fua o ma che ba
okay ama bi nche eda sane o fa ne nu oba nke many are well na sane gbafo am kesu kun May ni isa kesu kun anga insure o ka me pan bi
o ka me pan si so ya ke na fe mo ne attention ke no na afi wo ye ni asipalo di me no ko di sikamo boni jele bi yo ha boni jele bi kamo ya me kwedi na me na kashi ne ke bia mi di he ni ka ke ne ken dutu mo ne me banya ye bua wole ma bi fe lo amene asipamo ha na wala kashi ne ke bia mi lo ejo nwe ya me ba na ba wo so ya ke ame hiyo ni ne ke bia mi a ka shi August bi ame 4 ame Hawa no ame domo na ke ne ke bi ne agbe na ke gbe ne
ncho akashi be nka nye chon wa akashi mwene hime gbele mo lo ha ni keneke inshochi ne ba lo
nakai inde gbele mo ha ni insho na je ba ke agbe ne mo na akashi tutu boni lo yo ha mwene be da kai don ni ashika ba ha mo da akashi boni ma ye fa ha dutumo ni ehun fa ni agbere boni dutumo won eyo ha e ba la akashi sana ko di baba na fe ni wona hise no lo ehun amehun amifale na kanu mo si ma ifale han do no ko okay ene han e ba la akashi akele ke gbe na ngasi bona fe ni lo anya bu ame na fe ko no tawo wona de ko de ho e won dash ke bia na
okay wole nche last sarbe mo ne wole akashi atoga golache nji ni abio chikwanda the 5th ofane ya bana ani ele kolo
to yo nationally ko ba fi no aje cancel ni abio chu ehin aya bo la ko be mena lowo no ba ba le ni abio ji money ya ni wo cancel e ba do shi e ji mo de kele de machine le bua nbo yi meji ne ti ana na ke chele ke cancel ko ba na ke cancel na chi ye bua Ghana fe kan wona woni bi ana aja mralo de ba ba government ni e se le chokanse le na ni aja lo ba ni ma fe ma na ya ana ko ni abiole e fe ko tunu e bo mo de ha Ghana fe o shile ko e fa le yo adu ti awole wa
Okay, that man when you crack, I can't answer near many angane, nobody would have seen it. A jar or more can need when you many your gun can't be done with. I know, I know your thing.
Near the Johnny can. I told you to the bar. What I feel near a couple of she who need jail will you buy him. Just go a cable and a can in a jar, but like she many jail will a man who knows a cable. She often a minister when I will have my beer and you will actually make a letter sheet to Bandeche. We are making less one buffet money will the municipality in Nigeria.
You, inche, you're not be more than woman and wire.
What are you at? Chess, I can let a legitimate piano. You're going to I feel no watching show now. I feel cheating. One a little struck to my. You want to get Ben show now. Only at 2 if I go out. I want to be fight. I come in a tree. She don't pay on Peggy. Jelly pay echo. The cycle of a choice. Look at me like I need to malo. A while a woman to my be. Fear monitoration. These stakeholders. One day, you will follow Bana. We go look like a new way. You don't know about how the flash of cafe can be go a couple of few now. I won't be fine. I can listen to laughing about way because she had a machine with teaching. She was saying, yeah, you will not want to try to.
Yeah, you are done.